All right, so you should have, in terms of one major essay under your belt when you viewed this video, your summary response. And now let's take a look at our unit 4 and 5 concern, and that is in terms of the comparison analysis. Let's take a look at that assignment. All right, under this assignment, the comparison analysis, it's located in terms of instructions at the beginning of Module 4. You'll find in terms of, again, like with our previous, where we had it in Modules 2 and 3, you'll have in terms of Modules 4 and 5, we'll have the half draft in Module 4 near the end, and then the final draft of the comparative analysis near the end of Module 5. So what your purpose will be is to compare two essays from our closed reading unit on technology. You look at the key differences and similarities between the two. And there's two different ways to structure this in terms of the body of the essay. One would be point by point, in which you look at features from each of the essays and compare them. Like, for instance, one that both have in terms of pro-technology opinions in general, and that they differ in that they think that one is improving in terms of social etiquette, but with one not improving social etiquette and actually making things much more tense between people and isolated. So that would be an example of point by point. Or you could be doing subject by subject. That would be take the entire essay, and regarding this essay, you would list its qualities, followed by, in terms of a listing of the qualities that are similar or different than in total from the other essay. And then both would have in terms of conclusions where you would need to reflect on important points, some similarities and differences. With that latter example, the subject by subject, really would need to have in terms of what are the clear differences and similarities spelled out, reminding readers of them in the conclusion. So again, with this, you have in terms of the half draft, which should at least introduce us to in that introductory passage in terms of the essays that are going to be compared. Then around 450 to 600 words that would be for the draft. That would include in terms of some summary material and also qualities of an essay or the essays. Then in your final draft, you're going to have a very important reflection that would be the concluding paragraph that re-emphasizes key points. Or if, like, for instance, you're doing subject by subject, you would be doing like in terms of one essay in the first half draft, and then in the final draft, you're including that other essay in full. So be sure to consult in terms of your assignment rubrics. Again, they emphasize in terms of content organization and also the actual in terms of development. Then it takes a look at with about 20 to 25% for in terms of proofreading and style. Be sure to include in terms of consistent APA or MLA style formatting with 1,000 words. That would be either with the works cited page for the MLA, the references for the APA. And remember, with APA, you do have in terms of a final, at least with the final draft, you will need a separate title page. And that's separate from the 1,000 words or 4-page minimum for this assignment. So in the meantime, If you have any questions, of course, just be sure to let me know via G. Stamper Jr. at ivytech.edu or through in terms of the Ivy Learn Canvas messaging features that you have. Best of luck with the assignment and looking forward to your, in terms of comparisons between two of our technology essays. Take care.